We're going to do problem number 1 from page 413. So the first thing that I'm going to do is f plus g of x. Well, what's the f of x?
X plus 2.
And what's the g of x?
3x minus 1.
So I'm actually adding 3x plus, I'm sorry, not plus, minus 1.
Yep.
Which if I then use the distributive property would be x plus 2 plus 3x minus 1, which is going to give me
4x
plus 1. Right? X plus 3x should give you 4x.
So why do we put it in parentheses? Just because it's saying I have to do.
So that you know you're adding this whole thing so that you don't confuse it when you get ready to do subtraction.
I'm going to say, there's really nothing to distribute.
No, that you're just distributing a positive 1. You're right. So then they asked me to find f minus g of x. So there's one answer. F minus g of x. So what is the f of x function from problem number 1? X plus 2. And then I'm going to subtract from that
3x minus 1.
the whole quantity of 3x minus 1, bless you. Correct?
Wait, x plus 2 minus 3x plus 1.
When I do the distributive property with that negative 1 because of subtraction,
Negative 2x plus 3.
negative 2x plus 3, that would be the answer for the f minus g of x. Now, I want to do f dot g of x, which means I'm going to take the f of x function times the g of x function. So the f of x function was,
X plus 2.
I'd probably put it in parentheses since I'm doing multiplication. And what is the g of x function?
3x minus 1.
Okay? So if I did this, looks like it's going to be 2 FOIL methods, right? Or 1 FOIL method, but a multiplication. So I'd take what times what?
X times 3x, 3x squared, x times negative 1,
Negative 1 extra.
Okay?
and 2 times 3x, which is 6x,
2 times 3x, which is 6x.
and 2 times negative 1, which is
And 2 times negative 1, which is
negative 2.
negative 2. What do I need to look for?
Multiple.
Well, in this case, not necessarily common multiples, but similar terms.
Yeah,
This one and this one are both x's, aren't they?
yeah,
Can I add them together?
yeah.
Which gives me
3x squared plus 5 minus 2 plus.
So that's my multiplication one. Then I have f over g of x, which means it's division.
X plus 2 over.
Okay. The f of x function was x plus 2 over 3x minus 1. This is a binomial, this is a binomial. Is there any common factors between all four terms? So I'm done. That's all I can do with that particular problem. Okay? Your assignment is going to be on page 413. Eight through 15, all.